Hello Droid Panda publishers. Now that our application is ready, we are ready to publish this app in Google Play console. To publish in Google Play we need couple of things. First is the app itself. For our case, Droid Panda already gave us the zip file, which contains everything we need. Next, 512 by 512 app icon in PNG format. 1024 by 500 feature image in PNG format. Screenshots for the app, application name, short description, and long description. For the purposes of this demo, I am using dummy app data for this app. So, let's go to the console and create our app. Give application name and start giving appropriate information for your app. I am filling everything according to my application need. For example, when preparing the application we need to tell Google Play whether this application has ads or not, is this app targeted for children or not. We have to apply content rating for the app as well. When filling content rating, be careful. If your app has any mention about alcohol or any material that is for adult, you should mention that in your content rating. Otherwise, Google will not allow the app to be published. I am selecting all of these as no, because my app does not have any of that. Give your privacy policy URL here. You can use Blogger or Google Doc to host your privacy policy and share the link in here. When giving target age, be extra careful. Many a time the app gets rejected just because of incorrect target age group. If your app has content for 6-year-old and you select 12-year, the app will get rejected. So pay attention here. Give your email address here. I am giving a dummy email. Again, you should put your application name, short description and long description. For my purposes, I am giving dummy text. I am giving app icon and feature image at first. And for phone screenshots, I am giving all the screenshots. As for 7-inch and 10-inch tablet, I am reusing the same screenshots. But it is recommended that you should get screenshot for those devices. Now it is time to upload our AAB file. For that, click on Production. Now we are going to create a new release. In this stage, we can do two things. We can either let Google protect our signing key, or we can give our app signing information to Google. I will show you both ways to do this. Let's see how we can give our app signing information to Google. Click on Manage Preferences. When you get the build file from build.droidpanda.com for your app, it should contain output.zip file. You need to upload this file by selecting Export and Upload key from Java Key Store. Press Continue and you should be able to upload your AAB file. What if you don't want to take this extra hassle? In this case, we can let Google handle our signing key. After creating a new release, if you just click on Continue, that should tell Google you want Google to handle your signing key. Now you can upload your AAB file. If you face any problem when uploading AAB file, you have to delete this app and start again. And next time, instead of letting Google handle the signing key, you need to give output.zip file to Google. Now we are ready. We have one more thing left. We need to select the countries where we want to publish our app. Finally, after review release, click on Start Rollout to Production. And we are good to go. Congratulations, you have just released your app. Google takes some time to review your application. Once reviewed, if no problem found, the app will be published. Droid Panda is a free no-coding app builder platform where you can make different types of native application and release them on Google Play. No drag and drop. Just give your content and we will build your app for you. There is no upfront cost involved. It's that easy, just register and start building.